Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. I know you are wondering where we are today, but we are in Chuna Estate, Kitengela. And as we were coming here, my camera team and I were Googling about Chuna Estate, and the first link that came was saying that Chuna Estate is the Runda of Kitengela. Are you guys serious? Ama munapenda tu kutu enjoy online. Anyway, let's get started. Behind me is a 4-bedroom all-en-suite mansionette with a plinth area of 350 square meters. But before I tell you anything else, I had this subscriber who texted me saying that it should not be mansionette, it should be a maisonette. So let's start again. Behind me is a 4-bedroom all-en-suite maisonette with a plinth area of 350 square meters. This home has been built on a 100 by 100 lot of land, and in simple words, that is a quarter. As you can see from there, the unit is very beautiful, very well done, and it is matching to the good hype or the big hype of this estate. This home comes with a 4-car parking, and for 28 million Kenya shillings, at least you require this space. And as you can see, if you have your 3 or 4 V8s, they will easily fit in this car parking. On my far left, you have the front yard, and from there you can see that the greenery is very inviting. If you are very keen, just come with me. You can see that we have some live fence here, but this is just part of the compound. Behind it, you have the water tanks, and they are 10,000 liter water tanks. Next to me, you have the employee quarters, and it is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. The main entrance is here, but before we get into the unit, I want to show you something. As I mentioned earlier, this unit has been built on a quarter piece of land, and you are getting a lot of real estate on this side, and this greenery, which is a side yard, is going to take you to the backyard, and the backyard is going to join with the kitchen garden. Are we together? Thank you. Let's now get inside. From the entrance, you are welcomed by this small foyer, and this gives you the full dimension of how this unit has been oriented. But before I show you anything, you can see that there is application of a lot of hardwood. To be specific, mahogany has been used extensively. The staircase is a masterpiece, and it takes you to the upper level of this unit. On my far front, you have the main living room, and on my left hand side, you have the dining area that joins to the kitchen. I'll show you that later. But for now, let's start from the beginning. Here, you have the common washroom and the guest bedroom. The common washroom is here. It is applying a similar concept to all the bathrooms that we will see in this unit. The guest bedroom has been done very well. Beautiful big space for all your guests. And one thing that I like is how the room has been oriented. On my far front, you are getting your guest closet. You have a massive window that is giving you maximum natural light. And on my far front, you have the guest bathroom. From the entrance, the guest bathroom comes with a small vanity. You have a WC, and behind me you have a shower cubicle. All the other fixtures that are standard are available in these bathrooms. From the guest bedroom, I'm going to show you the kitchen. From there, you can see that the kitchen is very beautiful, very well done, and everything is where it is supposed to be. The cabinetry of this kitchen has been done very well, and I like it that it is gray in color and matching to the gray countertops. Behind me, you have the sink area of the kitchen, and as you can see, it is a double sink. I like it that you have a small window just next to the sink, and that makes it very easy to make sure that your utensils are very clean when you are doing your washing. On my far front, you have the pantry of this kitchen, and on my far right, you have the dining area. The kitchen comes with an oven, you have a 4-burner cooktop, and above it, you have the heat extractor. The partitions have been done very well, as I said, and you are getting 3 drawers here and an extra 4 drawers on the other side for your crockery and your cutlery. Here, as I said earlier, you have the pantry of this unit. Just come closer. And from there, you can see that the partitioning of this pantry has been done efficiently. You have these partitions or the shelves which have been made by hardwood, and as you can see, the pantry is enough to fit all your dry foods. On my far front, just next to my cameraman, you have the dining area of this unit. As you can see from there, this dining area will be big enough to fit a 6-seater, 7-seater or an 8-seater dining set. It has been done very well, and I like the whole continuation from the kitchen to the dining area and on my far front to the living room. But before we see the living room, I want to take all of you outside and we will enjoy the backyard of this unit. If you haven't noticed, this is the dining area back porch, and I like it that it is joining to the living room back porch. And from there, you can see the extensive piece of land that you have on this backyard. On my far front, I need to show you something. As much as you'll be enjoying this space, or your kids will be playing on this space, or you'll be holding your meetings, or doing some football with your family, you have a biodigester here. That means that you not spend extra money with the county sewer line. Before I take you back inside, this unit comes surrounded with a perimeter wall, and as I mentioned earlier, the real estate on the backyard is connecting to the front yard through this other side. Let me show you the wall that we have on the other side, and that wall is separating this unit from the other unit. When you are doing such units, small innovations are very important. I like it that the developer did some gravel perimeter wall, and on top of that, he planted this plant that has been known for crawling through the walls. So when the plant crawls through this wall, you'll never notice that this wall is not similar to the original perimeter wall. From here, I'm taking you back inside, but before we do that, I will have to show you the laundry area. From here, going all the way to the employee quarters, this space is supposed to be your laundry area. Just come closer. As you can see, you have your clotheslines here, and next to me, you have 2 industrial sinks that will be used for your hard washing. Next to this space, you have the employee quarters, and as I mentioned earlier, it is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Here you have a gas pipe, and that means that your gas cylinders will be kept outside. Now, my friend, let's drag everyone back inside and let's show them the living room of this unit. It is always very important to have a window or a very big window that gives you an access to the backyard. From here, you always get very good views to the backyard, and it is always very easy to make sure that the room is very aerated. When you do open these sliding windows, you are getting very good fresh air to the room. Behind me, this unit comes with a small chimney, and if you don't want to do the traditional warming of your house, you can always install a modern fireplace. As I mentioned earlier, the staircase for this home is a masterpiece. But before we get to the real deal, I want you to have a look at the separation between the staircase and the living room. As you can see from there, the beauty is on another level. The whole section alone is contributing to more than 50% of the beauty that you get in this unit. But that is not all. When I take you to the upper level, you will see more beautiful spaces. Right now, you guys are seeing me from the family room. And as you can see, the family room is a massive space. This is where you and your family will be enjoying a private conversation. When your mom and your dad are fighting, this is where you come to settle the case. In the assumption that you do not want disturbance and you want to have a personal time, or you want to have a good moment to think or to evaluate your life, this is the space that you can use. I like it that it comes with sliding windows. Massive and very well done, and the amount of natural light that you are getting on this living room is on another level. On this level, you have the other 3 bedrooms, but before I show you any of that, just have a look at how the beauty of the staircase has been magnified by this African weave. Isn't it not very beautiful? Still in the African shenanigans, you can always go to africanrealestate.com and browse your units. This home and many more will be there, and if you want more details and videos of those units, you can always get them in our website. And if you are out there, you want to sell a unit, you can go to our website, post your unit there, and we will help you market the unit. Don't forget to add your contacts, because the client will call you direct. Let's see the first kids bedroom. From the entrance of the first bedroom, you are welcomed by the first bathroom. A few things to note. First, these doors are very unique, and the dark color is blending very well with the light colors of the walls. The bathroom comes with a vanity setup. You have a WC, and behind me you have a shower cubicle. I like it that this home comes with a heat pump, so you can always get your hot water from these rain showers. The bedroom is adopting a similar concept to the one that we saw in the guest bedroom, but one thing to note is how the closets have been done. As you can see, you have some partitions for the foldable clothes, spaces down there for the shoes, and you have an extra mirror. Here you have spaces for the hangable clothes. And on this other side, we have extra 6 drawers for all your boxers or your inner wheels. This bedroom comes with a balcony, and I like it that this balcony is giving you very good views to the backyard of this unit. From here, you can see the extensive beauty of Chuna Estate, and I am tempted to agree that this might be the Runda of Kitengela. This bedroom is just a replica to the first one. It is slightly smaller with smaller everything. You are getting a smaller balcony, a smaller closet, and a smaller bathroom. What I think is that this bedroom is targeting your younger children or your younger kids. By the way, today I have so many issues with you, my subscribers. Someone told me that a kid is an offspring of a goat. So I'll always be saying children. Let's see the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is the biggest, and it comes with the biggest everything. But I am disappointed because for 28 million I am expecting to get a bigger primary bedroom with more amenities and with more posh stuff. If you haven't noticed, this is the only closet that you are getting in the primary bedroom. The balcony is here. It is the biggest, and it is giving you very good views to the front side of this unit. This primary balcony is the only thing that can be associated with a proper primary bedroom. On my far front, you have the primary bathroom, and it is adopting a similar concept to all the bathrooms that we have seen, coming with a small vanity. You have a WC, and you have your shower cubicle behind me. The bathrooms of this unit comes with extra features like a shaving right, you have a small mirror, you have a toothbrush holder, a hard towel holder, a bathing towel holder, and a bidet sprayer. From here, I'm taking you directly to the roof deck. For 28 million, a good roof deck is always a plus. By the way, make sure you subscribe to this channel because there is more good content that is coming this month and next month. On the left side of this roof deck, the attic is giving you a very good shadow, especially if you want to come here and chill or enjoy the evening sunset. On my far front, you have the heat pump, and that will supply the whole unit with hot water. On the opposite side, you have 3,000-liter water tank that will be sufficient for all your home activities. From here, the views that you are getting, the freshness of the air, makes this area or the larger Chuna estate a very habitable place. We have come to the end of the tour and we hope you have enjoyed. By the way, you people should stop buying trashy units. If you do not trust the unit that you're buying, you can always book a pre-purchase inspection with us, and we will go through the documents and everything that involves that unit and tell you if there is any case, any matter, any caveat or any charge on that property. If the property is clear, then you'll have a green light for you to buy the unit. That's all for today, and as always, never stop watching. Bye bye.